Welcome to today's Chatter No Frills Tech News with the top 5 stories of the day. First up, crafting bacteria as easily as software. EvolutionaryScale AI has designed a proof of concept protein unlike anything in nature. With AI capable of designing proteins, EvolutionaryScale is paving the way for personalized medicine. The ease to create AI-designed biotech enables practitioners to create groundbreaking molecules. And that could include bacteria equipped with novel enzymes that could digest plastic or new drugs tailored to an individual's particular cancer. Despite its bold claims though, EvolutionaryScale has only delivered one single proof of concept protein so far. The company's eventual goal is to enable all sorts of companies specifically to come up with substances that would be impossible without their technology. So, biotech practitioners should prepare now. With Google's AlphaFold 3 now freely available, AI-supported workflows for bacterial brainstorming and lab work in general will shape job roles and skills required. The debate club hero of AI. Test time training or TTT boost Abstraction and Reasoning Corpus, the ARC benchmark, sixfold, matching human average. TTT temporarily fine-tunes model parameters by running a learning sequence, creating and solving auxiliary tasks before responding to a prompt. For example, for the prompt, who is the best Star Wars character, it would identify characters, rank their popularity, and think through actually what best could mean, and then adapt itself to best solve those. One advantage is that TTT improves reasoning without costly fine-tuning, and it also reduces reliance on initial training. However, the resource-intensive inference increases cost and limits scalability, and the ARC benchmarks don't necessarily represent real-world complexity. Still, AI practitioners should explore TTT and other techniques that enhance solving complex tasks now, given how valuable reasoning is for real-time applications. Is money energy? A viral Twitter post says money should flow like electricity and not to be hoarded. Money as an energy flow is a radical interpretation gaining traction, but it might be too abstract for real-world applications. What do people like about this metaphor? Well, embracing money as a flow fosters creativity and business growth, and this really breeds financial acumen, as it forces the question to think about where a person's money flows, like investing or spending, and how someone thinks about individual streams, what makes you happy, what makes you sad. But it really oversimplifies the complexity of financial systems, and it might be misleading for people who are in debt or lacking resources. That's one of the reasons why the author says the fear of running out of money is a primary limitation on life choices. So let's face it, we don't need to label money as energy, but in a real world, with constant financial flow and understanding money as a dynamic resource is key to personal growth and a sustainable lifestyle. Will AI coding tools help or break the software industry? AI-generated code has no feedback loop, unlike open-source workflows. AI workflows lead to code duplication at scale, creating inefficiencies across users. Why is that? When bugs are solved in traditional software or open source, it fixes the problem for everyone because everyone is on the same code base. As one coding expert shares, what's worse? Right now, we have no way of making the AI learn from its mistakes or our corrections. But there are advantages. AI coding tools increase the speed and accessibility, allowing non-developers to develop. And this democratizes technological access and unlocks potential for rapid prototyping. Tech professionals must critically evaluate the trade-offs AI tools bring to their workflows now. Also, given the lowered barrier to entry, expect more people to compete. The rise of the AI supermanagers. By embracing AI, leaders are scaling the impact across larger teams. AI can empower managers to scale feedback, for example by copy-pasting interactions from Trello or Slack to GPT, and enhancing team skills by providing training tailored to role and company, by pasting relevant materials into GPT. And this enhances a manager's productivity and efficiency, freeing up time for high-impact leadership, such as one-on-one coaching or shadowing calls. Product legend Lenny shares one story of a PM who's I don't think I could ever work for a company where AI-augmented product leadership wasn't allowed. I would feel equivalent to being asked to handwrite my PhDs in cursive. But it's not all roses. While AI with ease increases feedback quantity, overuse may diminish the human touch and quality in leadership. For example, if you don't know what makes a writing good, it's tough to teach a model, says Hilary Grindley, Director of Product Management for WHOOP. The point is, AI isn't replacing managers, but transforming how they coach and lead. Those who can be productive and keep a human touch will set the stage for competitive leadership.